Hello everyone. Today we'll be talking about Playwright MCP and Playwright CLI. We'll be understanding what Playwright MCP is, what Playwright CLI is, and when an AGI agent prefers MCP and CLI. As we talk about Playwright MCP, so it is an MCP server maintained by Microsoft that exposes Playwright browser automation capabilities. It uses MCP standards protocols introduced by Anthropic, which lets AI models to interact with the external tools. So by external tools, we may refer to GitHub, we may refer to Jira, we are currently referring to Playwright. So these tools are serving us the various purposes. And for those, we use these MCP servers to get us the context about that particular external tool and let the AI agent get that particular context and perform the action based on that particular context. So when we talk about Playwright MCP, so when an AI agent connects to the Playwright MCP server, it gets access to the tools like browser navigate, click, snapshot, type, and other actions. So each tool call returns the rich context, full accessibility, console logs, network states, and the screenshots as well. So this is about Playwright MCP. The token consumption is very high, somewhere around 5,000 to 8,000 tokens in this Playwright MCP per session. And what when we talk about Playwright CLI, why does this come? So this is also backed by Microsoft, but when we talk about MCP, the token consumption was very high and was not feasible for the agents to use. Due to the high token consumption, we may get sort of token cost and other things. So then Playwright CLI came into picture. It is a command line tool published by Microsoft, which basically helps AI coding agents to interact with the two external tools again. And it launched in somewhere around early 2026, and it is a companion to the Playwright MCP server only. We can talk like that. But the approach is fundamentally different. Instead of streaming browser state back into the AI model's context, the CLI saves everything to disk. Snapshot goes to the YAML file. Element reference stays local. The agent issues short shell commands like open, click, and other interactions and gets us back the minimal and structured responses from them. So this was about Playwright CLI. Now, if we talk about when an AI agent prefers CLI over MCP. So we should be using Playwright CLI, Playwright MCP when our agent is sandbox and can't access the file system. When we are doing this short exploratory sessions of around 5 to 10 interactions only. When we want zero config setup with the chat style AI client. So this is what we are now referring to the vibe testing. So if we want to do that, we should be using MCP. We need rich introspection for debugging. And also if we talk about the self-healing locator kind of things, then we should be going ahead with the MCP. Now, when should we use the CLI? So when we are running a coding agent within the file system, when the automation session involves more than 5 to 10 page of interactions, we definitely care about the token costs per token tokens per session. When we are generating parameters from the exploratory browser session, and we need the agent to stay sharp over the long sessions without context degradation. So this is where we should be relying on the CLI over MCP. That was it. Thank you so much.